Fitting the mounting plate and the barcode scanner to the back of the 21-inch monitor will require a bit more adjustment. Use spacers to space the mounting plate from the back of the monitor. Attach the mounting plate and the barcode scanner, if present, to the monitor. Use the appropriate VESA mount screws and spacers provided, or any other appropriate screws and spacers if required. Slide the monitor onto the mounting arm and secure the mounting plate using the security screw.